Tony. Look, bro. I respect you, so I'm gonna say this nicely. But bro, I had ordered an entire different interior than this. Yeah, you even confirmed it over your Gmail. Yeah, the headliner is tan. I'm gonna leave you a bad review. I mean, you deserve it. You deserve it. I mean, I paid $31,000 for this. It's really starting to feel like a scam at this point, Tony. I'm sorry, man. Today we're gonna start off by tuning up the SL. It runs great and it sounds super healthy. By the way, this is the SL. Like, it's a healthy car, but every now and then there will be a time where when you push the start button and you're starting the car up, it does like a slow crank right off the bat. Like it cranks and then and starts the car up. It did leave me stranded one time because the front battery went bad, and since I've replaced it, it's been running great. But I have noticed every now and then when it's on a warm engine and I start it up again, it does a slow crank and then kind of cranks it over. So I don't want to be in a situation where we get stranded again. But overall, the car is healthy, it sounds great, it runs great. It's just that slow little crank issue. But I think in the life of this car, whoever previously owned it didn't change the spark plugs ever. I don't think the fuel filter, the air filters have ever been changed. So let's head over there and get this thing tuned up. So hopefully it's gonna run a lot smoother once they give this car a once over. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be installing this stuff right here. This is like one of those synthetic leather diamond stitch patterns. We're gonna put this bad boy on the headliner today. And in the interest of actually getting the interior put back together, because you guys know it's all bare, it's kind of stripped out right now. Because I had to take the whole interior out basically to put the spoiler on. And we can't really put the interior back together until we actually wrap the car, because I have to take that spoiler back off to wrap the car, and I need the interior out to take the spoiler off. But I had a good idea that why don't we just wrap the roof today, and then the spoiler can be permanently installed, and then we can install the interior and not have to do that again. Now that was using some brain power. That's real thinking right there. I went to college. All right, so let's get straight to work. I can already see the vision, and it's gonna look so much better. And also, you guys might not see the vision. I've gotten some comments where people are like, oh, you riced it out, that's cool. I get what you mean by that, guys, but this isn't done, like, at all. I installed 2 things. Just stay tuned. The vision isn't done yet, it's not done. All right, so there you guys have it, easy enough. And I think all the edges actually tuck beneath some panels. So I'm not even gonna worry about like wrapping them or anything. I think they're gonna get held on by some panels, and it doesn't have to be tidy because the panels cover the edges anyway. So with this done, we can start slapping the interior back to, oh, no we can't. No, we can't. As the glue dries, we are gonna wrap the roof. So yesterday, I actually got the main color wrap. That's the large box that you guys don't get to see inside today. But we also do have the accent color wrap here, which goes on the roof, which is gloss carbon fiber. So let's get straight to work. I have something slightly embarrassing to tell you guys. I was wrapping the roof, and you guys saw me peel it back off because I grossly underestimated how tacky this adhesive was. I was expecting it to be like the other vinyl that I've worked with. And that one you could kind of peel off easily and then kind of stretch it and lay it back down. This stuff has some pretty dang strong adhesive. And when I pulled it back off and put the new piece on, I thought I had enough to do it twice, but I'm like a centimeter too short. So I have to order brand new vinyl before we actually even put this on. I was honestly expecting to do this twice, to work with the first one and see how it feels and then take it off and then start over. When I was trying to peel it, the furthest I get was like here, you know, before it was like too tough to actually take off the roof. And I didn't have somebody else to stretch it with me as I was kind of like laying it on the roof. So it kind of just laid down with crinkles everywhere. I was expecting to be able to kind of just pull it up, stretch it from the middle, pull it up on the other corner, stretch it from the middle. But that was not gonna happen, so that threw everything off. But this vinyl's pretty dang nice. It's just that the adhesive was so strong I could not pull it back up. It says repositionable and everything, but there was just no way I was getting that back up. So today, I'm just gonna put the interior back in. I'm tired of it kind of just sitting around the garage. I'm tired of there being random screws sitting around in the car and nothing put back together. So I'm just gonna put it all back together. When it's time to put the spoiler back on when we wrap the car, which is probably gonna be next video, then I'll just take whatever else I need to out again. But the carbon fiber roof did look pretty cool from what I was seeing of it. This piece can go on the hood, and then I ordered 2 more full rolls just in case I just can't get it right. So that should be here next week sometime. So let's just get straight to work putting that headliner in. Okay, I used that smaller piece to go ahead and just prove to myself that I could wrap something. Oh boy, the hood was definitely a lot easier. It came out pretty well. There's a couple little things in it, but who cares really? So I can kind of start seeing the vision of the thing now. If you had that spoiler on there still and a black roof, you guys can see the vision for the color scheme. I think it's gonna look sweet. So let's get this interior back in the car. All right, well, I finally got the interior done, and man, does it look good, man. It's mildly hilarious, but it's actually kind of cool at the same time. Even got a working map light. How about that? How about that? So anyway, that interior looking pretty dang sweet. And then we also got the carbon fiber hood. Again, you guys have to imagine the color scheme on it right now with the carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber roof, then the other main color that goes on everything else, man. And also imagine fatty wheels and tires here and a couple other touches. Remember, there's gonna be some huge fatty like Lamborghini vents behind the doors and a big spoiler on top. It's gonna look freaking insane. I'm also going to LED convert whatever is not LED on this car, which is just the headlights. Those are the only halogen bulbs here. But this thing is shaping up to be the swagginest golf cart on the block. Dude, I'm actually kind of getting excited for this, and hopefully my wrap skills get a little better. I think this is a good one to learn on. I've always wanted to start wrapping cars and get pretty good at it. So I think this is a good excuse to start. I am personally in a busy season right now. I'm operating a business and this is our busy season. So I'm really trying to toggle work and life right now, and YouTube and whatnot, and real estate. You guys will see on the Inja 2.0 soon that we are building a guest house right now as well. So lots of renovations going on there, lots of managing and teamwork going on with that as well. Next video is going to be a game changer. This car is going to look completely different, and the whole just overall vibe of the car is going to be dramatically transformed into more of an exotic golf cart, supercar kind of thing. So the excitement is growing on the SCAMBORGHINI. I am stoked to get going on the rest of this project. There's still a lot more coming, but I think it's gonna go pretty quick. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you guys next time.
Bye.